Hello, this is Zippy Bird, clone of Flappy Bird, but according to the theme of this game jam, probably it's not. So let's find it out. We have some tweaks in this game, like yes, this anti-gravity. It will put a gravity upward, not always downward. We have wind stream from backward. It will make the bird faster. And we have wind stream from forward. It will slow it down. So these are the tweaks, and we have made it using Godot game engine. It is open source, and the rest is uploaded in the GitHub. You can see the files. Okay, so all things are random, like when the anti-gravity will be activated or when the forward wind stream will hit the bird. It's all random. So it's really fun to play and quite unpredictable. So yeah, try this game and enjoy. Bye.